Children, this is your Dhanalakshmi teacher. Welcome back to our social class. Today, our topic is about satellites. What are these satellites? Yes, is a small object. A satellite is a small object that revolves around a larger object in outer space. See, this is a satellite. See, this is the picture of satellite here. Earth and the satellite. Earth is a bigger object and satellite, see one small blue color. It is a smaller object revolving around a larger object in the space. Yes. Can you think of an object revolve around the object in space? Yes. What are the objects that revolve around the object in the space? Those are the planets. Yes. Planets revolve around the sun. You already have learned what is meant by solar system. The sun and the 8 planets are together form a solar system. Yes. Planets are natural satellites. Planets are natural satellites that revolve around the sun. Yes. What do you mean by natural satellites? Is there an artificial satellite too? Let's have a closer look at the types of satellites. Yes. See, these are the planets. These are the natural satellites that are revolving around the sun. Planets are natural satellites that are revolving around the sun. Is there any artificial satellites? Let us have a closer look. What are natural satellites and what are artificial satellites? There are two types of satellites. One are natural satellite and another is artificial satellite. What is a natural satellite? A natural object that revolves another larger natural object in the outer space is the natural satellite. Yes, here you see a natural object that revolves around other larger natural object in the outer space is called a natural satellite. See, here there are the larger objects and some are the smaller objects revolving around the larger objects. See, once you go through revolving and moving around the sun, moving around the objects. Yes, smaller objects are moving around the larger objects. These are the natural objects. See, what are called natural satellites means a natural object that revolves around another natural object in the outer space is called the natural satellite. Yes, the planets are the natural satellites that revolve around the sun. The planets are the natural satellites that revolve around the sun. See, sun is in the middle and these are the planets revolving around the sun. Yes, you know what are the planets. There are 8 planets. Mercury, yes, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. These are the natural satellites that revolve around the sun. The Earth's moon is also a natural satellite. What? Earth's moon is also a natural satellite. It revolves in fixed orbit around the Earth. See here, the Earth's moon. What is the natural satellite of the Earth? Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. See here in the picture, it is the moon and it is the sun. It is the Earth. See here, the blue object is the Earth and the moon is revolving around the Earth. Yes or not? Yes, an object. The Earth's moon is a natural satellite. This is the natural satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It revolves in a fixed orbit around the Earth. See here, fixed orbit, it is revolving. What is a fixed orbit? An orbit is a curved path of an object around other object. This is the orbit of the moon around the Earth. See, the curved path around the earth that is moving. This is orbit mean path, way. The moon is moving in the same path, that is the curved path around the earth, that is the orbit. Understood, children? An orbit is a curved path. Path means way of an object. Here, what is the orbit? What is an object here around the object? Here, earth is the object, and the moon is moving around the earth, that is in the curved path. Yes, this is the orbit of the moon around the earth. Do you know all the planets have different number of moons? Yes, what are that? Mercury and Venus have no moons. Mercury and Venus have no moons. In the previous class, you already have learned about Mercury and Venus. Yes, these they don't have moons. Earth has only one moon. What is that? This is the natural satellite. Mars have two moons. How many moons Mars have? Two moons. Jupiter have 67 moons. How many? 67 moons. Saturn have 62 moons. Uranus have 27 moons. Neptune have 14 moons. These moons are natural satellites of the planets. These moons have natural satellites of the planets. Yes, and planets are the natural satellites of the sun. Understand? Moons are the natural satellites of the planets, and the planets are the natural satellites of the sun. The sun is not a satellite. Yes, the sun is not a satellite. It is a star. Do you know why? Everything in the space that revolves around other object is a satellite. Yes, in the space everything is moving. Everything that moves around the other object is a satellite. The sun does not revolve around any object. The sun does not revolve any other object. It's remain in the same place. Yes. Now let us go. Did you understand what are the natural satellites? Yes. Natural satellites are the satellites that revolves another larger natural object is in outer space. These are called the natural satellites. And moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Understand? Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Now let us go with the artificial satellites. Let us go with the artificial satellites. What are these artificial satellites? Artificial satellites are man-made objects. Who will make these man-made? Natural satellites are by nature they forms. Understand the difference between natural satellites and artificial satellites? You have seen the natural satellite like moon and all, and also you have seen in the artificial satellites which are made by man. Understand? Man-made objects designed to be placed in orbit around the earth. These man-made satellites are designed to move around the in an orbit around the earth. Understand? These are the natural satellites in the space. They will prepare the satellites and they will send into the space to move around the earth. These are the man-made satellites. Understood? Why there are the many natural satellites are there, and what is the use of preparing artificial satellites? Yes, we have so many natural satellites in the space. Then why we are using the artificial satellites? These artificial satellites transmit signals, receives and transmits and receives signals, and also used for global communication and receiving signals, television broadcasting to telecast any TV programs or anything. It will broadcast. Yes, weather forecasting. This and all are the uses of the man-made satellites. Yes, these satellites are sent into space through the rocket. These satellites are sent into space through the rocket. What the satellite you are seeing, this satellite is sent into the space through rockets. Understand? For what purpose? To transmit and receive signals for global communication. Globally communication will be going on, no, by TVs, by mobiles and all. For that purpose this, and also telecast programs in televisions. Yes, for weather forecasting, for all these purposes man-made satellites are used, and these satellites are sent into space with the help of the rockets. Understand? One example, in 1957 Russian they have sent one satellite, the first satellite, that is Sputnik 1, into space. This is about the example of one of the natural satellite. There are many natural satellites, the Aryabhatta, Chandrayaan. These are all the natural satellites. Already you have listened, you come to know about Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, and also Aryabhatta. These are the artificial satellites, man-made satellites, and the natural satellites are in the planets. Understand? This is about the satellites, and let us tomorrow let us go with the another topic, that is about earth. Understand, children? Okay, thank you. Let us stop the lesson.